And for this tutorial 2 file, I will start by replacing all of my lines. And I will first just make sure that my Python still works since it's been a new day. And I'll start by printing hello tutorial 2. And we'll go ahead and run and save. And we do get hello tutorial 2. Now, regarding using a for loop, let's talk about what a for loop does. And to understand a for loop, we need to understand lists. So last time we had a counter variable. We said counter to 0, and then we talked about how we can update our counter by setting it to the old value. So this is 0 plus 1 will get stored again to